You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. Today we're talking about moving from San Jose to Germany. With a focus on tech professionals and families who need their relocation to fit around work, visas, travel, and a real start date. The first rule is to separate your work timeline from your shipment timeline. Your employer may need you in Germany before your household shipment can be delivered. That does not mean the process is off track. It means you need a first week's plan. Start by listing travel dates, job start date, temporary housing or lease availability, school dates, and the items you need immediately. This makes it easier to decide what you carry personally, what may go by air freight, and what can move with your main sea shipment. A survey gives you the facts needed for that decision. It identifies volume, larger furniture, monitors, equipment, artwork, fragile items, and special packing needs. It also helps you decide what is worth shipping rather than trying to make decisions in the final weeks before departure. For the main household, sea freight is usually the practical option. Air freight can support a small, carefully selected essential shipment. Keep your passports, employment documents, medication, critical records, and personal electronics and valuables you are carrying with you. German customs documentation should begin early. Used household goods may qualify for duty relief when requirements are met, but residence history, ownership, and use of the goods, timing, and supporting documents matter. Your inventory, passport copy, proof of residency, and other relocation documents should be reviewed well before packing. Professional packing can be particularly valuable for electronics, artwork, and fragile equipment. The objective is not simply getting boxes closed. It's preparing the shipment for handling, export movement, freight, customs, and final delivery. At destination, confirm the delivery address, building access, elevator reservation, parking, and local delivery requirements. These details are often overlooked until the shipment is already on the way. A San Jose to Germany tech relocation becomes more manageable when you build a separate essentials plan and allow the household shipment to follow a realistic sequence. SDC International Shipping coordinates door-to-door moves from California to Germany. Give us a call, 877-339-0267, or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.